Genba, Sopanrao, Moze, Prashala are presenting here a conversation about my pet. Happy birthday, Pranali! Thank you, everybody! Wow, you all have given me so wonderful gifts. Thank you, Pranali!
Look, Pranali, there is surprise gift from Viraj.
Oh, Viraj, a darling puppy. Thank you so much, Viraj, for such a cute puppy. I really love it so much. Now this puppy is my pet dog. I have got a nice place waiting for the all time. When my I and Baba are not at home, my feeling of loneliness will never trouble me again. I will happily enjoy my time with my pet. Now it will be all fun only. Hey Pranali, don't be on cloud nine only. Calm down. Keep your feet on the ground. Taming a pet is not only playing and having fun with it. It's a responsibility too. Oh Viraj, what are you saying? I make nothing of it.
Radu, a pet is not only for having a company and pleasure. You have to make a parent of this puppy. Just like our parents perform their role and take care of us.
Yes, absolutely. As our lives have become beautiful with the love and care of our parents, so the lives of these baby souls are also going to be beautiful with a just need care and love for them.
These creatures are the beauty of our planet, our Mother Earth. If they are not conserved and protected by us, how our planet will look beautiful? Though they don't demand anything like us. Maybe they also have some expectation from us.
Yes, they don't demand anything to us, but they express their feelings and emotions through their gestures and eyes.
Oh, yes, I too have observed that your body language expresses so many things.
Really? If that's so, how is it? I'm not getting it. Will you please explain me? Very simple, Pranali. See, my money bag is safe and she's happy and having comfort and fun with me. You know, once I was playing with its tail and she scratches me angrily. I scream very loudly. Out! Sirat, don't do it again. As no animal likes if someone pulls its tail or play with it by troubling them.
Yes, it's not at all good. These and treat the animals. They may get also angry like us.
No bird likes to be shut up in a cage. We must let them fly and soar in the open sky.
Yes, it's true, Viraj. My uncle has kept a parrot in the cage, but now I will convince my uncle to make it free from the cage.
Yes, you both are right, Viraj and Shreya. Sorry, I won't do it again.
Pranali, you have to keep this puppy clean, neat and tidy. And always remember to take care of its hygiene also.
Yes, of course, I will try my best. But I know only few things about it. But tell me why hygiene is so important for the pets.
Some diseases are infectious and can pass from animals to people. That's why the pet owner need to look after animals and make sure that the animal are clean and healthy.
How can we make our pet feel good and comfortable with us? By giving them freedom from hunger and thirst. Freedom from hunger and thirst? I mean we should give proper food and enough water to our pets and make sure that they are having it. I think we shouldn't give our pets oily and spicy foods. Yes, absolutely right, Pranali. Dogs should be given boiled food without spices.
If your pets are birds, you can put their food and water in their cages. But don't forget to keep their cages clean.
Yes, we all must remember these.
Yes, certainly.
Pranali, train your pet well so that it won't be harmful to anybody. Don't worry, I will train my puppy very well. With the best dog in the world. With our good manners. You just wait and watch. Okay, I will see.
It's very good, Pranali. Our pets are just like our family members and give us a good company.
Yes, I also have a favorite pet, my cat. I love her so much and I like to play with her. You know, she's so intelligent. She even understands my language. She loves to sit on her favorite chair.
I too love a lot to my pet dog Bobby. I can't imagine a day without Bobby. Bobby really does a lot for all of us. Bobby is our obedient and efficient buddy. I also take care of Bobby and take Bobby to vet regularly for health checkup and vaccination.
How wonderful to spend time with these lovely creatures every day.
Wow, what a strong bond of love between humans and animals. Our pets even aware us about the natural disaster like flood and earthquake. They give us pre-hints by their different behavior and sound. And these pets are also useful to us for our day-to-day needs. We get food products like milk, that in this hustle and bustle of life, no one has time for talking with each other. No one has time